So now that we learned the rules for our rotations of some common angle measures, 90, 180, 270. By the way, those are all multiples of 90 as well. So it's like you're rotating like a quadrant's worth in a coordinate plane. Let's see what it looks like when we rotate an actual figure. So we're going to rotate our figure ABCD 90 degrees about the origin. So first, we're going to want to know what the coordinates are of points A, B, C, D in our pre-image. So let's go ahead and identify point A has the ordered pair 3, 5. Point B is at 1, 7. C is at -2, 4. And D is at 2, -1. So all I did was I just looked at each point in the ordered pair and I found the X and the Y, or each point in the coordinate plane, and I found the X, Y coordinates for each point. So we learned in the last lesson that a rotation of 90 degrees about the origin of point XY is equal to -YX. So that's the rule we're going to follow, -YX. So we're going to get our image. These are all the pre-image points. So our image, A prime, so -y first. I'm going to change the sign of my y, so -5, and then the x, 3. That's where A prime will go. B prime, make your y negative, so -7. Then the x stays the same. C prime, make the y negative, -4, and the x stays the same, -2. And then D prime, make the y negative. So do you see how the y is negative? So, we're making it negative. What happens there is you have a -1. What it ends up doing is just changing the sign. This is going to be a +1, and then our x stays the same. Okay, so let's plot the points of our image. We've got our pre-image already on here, A, B, C, D. So let's get A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime on our graph. So A prime is at -5, +3. Plot that point. We'll label it A prime. B prime is at -7, +1. C prime is -4, -2. And D prime is 1, 2. And then we will draw our shape. I just go right in order so I don't like crisscross or draw weird things. I know it's going to go A prime to B prime, B prime to C prime, C prime to D prime, and back to A prime. So here's our image, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. We took the pre-image and rotated it 90 degrees about the origin. So if you look kind of point by point, we'll just look at a couple of them. Here's our pre-image point A. It went around 90 degrees and landed at A prime. Here's our pre-image point B. You rotate it 90 degrees, you land at B prime.